Hi, today we're going to start with adding three numbers. Let's try number 1. We have 100 plus 35 plus 9. So 100 plus 35. We're going to try adding these two numbers first. So 0 plus 5 is 5, and then 3 plus 0 is 3, and then the 1 drops. Now we have 9. So 9 plus 5 is going to be 14. So the 1 goes up, and now we're adding 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is 4, and the 1 drops. So we have 144. Sorry. Now let's try number 2. We have 300 plus 65 plus 4. 300 plus 65. So 5 plus 0 is 5, and then 0 plus 6. And 3 drops. Now we have to add 4. So 5 plus 4 is 9, and these two numbers are just going to drop. So we have 6 and 3, so 369. Now we're going to do number 3. So we always write the number with more digits on the top. So we have 500 plus 89. 0 plus 9 is 9. 0 plus 8 is 8, and the 5 drops. We have 589, and now we have to add 12. 9 plus 2 is 11, so 1, and then the 1 goes up. So now we're adding 1 plus 8 plus 1, so which is going to be 10. So we write the 0 down here, and we write the 1 above 5. So now we're going to be adding 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. So our answer is going to be 601. Now let's try number 5. 200 plus 36 plus 48. 200 plus 36 plus 48. So 0 plus 6. 0 plus 3 is 3, and the 2 drops. Now we're going to be adding 48. 6 plus 8 is 14. So the 1 goes up. And now we're adding 1 plus 3 plus 4. That is going to be 8. And the 2 drops. So we have 284 for number 5. Now let's move on to the next page. We have to write the name of each shape. Number 1 is called a rectangular prism. Rectangular prism. Number 2 is a pentagon. Pentagon. Number 3 is called a cylinder. And number 4 is a pyramid. ID. Okay? And number 5 is a circle. Number 6 is a hexagon. Number 7 is a sphere. And number 8 is a square. Okay? Now we're going to do skip counting. 10, 20, and then blank, 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 and 60. So we can see that we're adding 10 for each number, right? So if we add 20 plus 10, that's going to be 30. 30 plus 10. Now we have plus 10 again. So we're going to get 40, and plus 10 is 50, and 50 plus 10 is 60, okay? Number 2, it's going up by 2, right? Plus 2. So 24 plus 2 is 26. 26 plus 2 is 28. 28 plus 2 is 33. 30 plus 2 is 32. And 32 plus 2 is going to be 34. Okay? And now we have number 3. We can see that we're subtracting by 5, right? 105 minus 100 is 5. And 100 minus 5 is 95. Then to find this number, we're going to have to be adding 5 because we're going the opposite way. Okay, so we have to add 5 to find this number. 105 plus 5. 105 plus 5. Okay, 5 plus 5 is 10. And now we have 1 plus 0. That's going to be 1, and the 1 drops. So we have 110. Sorry. And then now we're going to be subtracting 5 for each number. So 95 minus 5 is 90, and 90 minus 5 is 85. Okay, so we're getting less by 5. Now let's try the next page. Word problems. I bought 50 crayons, 27 colored pencils, and 25 markers. How many supplies did I buy in total? Well, we're going to have to be adding all the numbers because it's asking how many I bought in total. So 50 plus 27, 0 plus 7 is 7, and 5 plus 2 is also 7. So now we're going to be adding 25 to 77, so 77 plus 25. 7 plus 5 is 12, so the 1 goes up and the 2 goes down. Now we're adding these 3 numbers. 1 plus 7 is 8, and 8 plus 2 is 10. So we have 102 supplies in total. Okay? Thank you.